Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which cake pan to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. The cake pan is an integral component of the art and science of baking. It is available in different sizes and shapes that can fit your baking needs. By using the right pan, it can achieve every baker's dream, which is to bake a perfectly molded cake with their favorite recipe. In this video, we hope to help you find the right cake pan that can help you step up your baking experience. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The cake pans that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, review in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The cake pan coming in at number 5 on our list is the Cuisinart Chef's Classic Round Cake Pan. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic Round Cake Pan is constructed of heavy gauge aluminized steel, making it a high-quality product that you are looking for. This material provides even heat distribution, which helps the cake to rise uniformly. It has rolled edges but no handles, allowing you to lift and transfer it from one place to another without consuming too much space. These thick rolled edges also ensure that the cake pan or distorting at high temperatures. Our team appreciates that this 9-inch cake pan has a non-stick coating on the interior and exterior, making it easier to remove the cake without breaking. This feature makes it ideal for beginner bakers who are still in the learning process of baking a cake with a perfect texture. Upon our trial, we cleaned the cake pan using a dishwasher and it came out in perfect condition. Although the dishwasher does not result in any damage, we still recommend hand washing for longevity. Upon your purchase, you will receive a limited lifetime warranty, which is beneficial for any potential defect. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic Round Cake Pan is a heavy-duty cake pan that delivers excellent baking results consistently. If you wish to pursue baking but find it difficult to release the cake from the pan without ruining it, then this bakeware is the one for you. Aside from holding the cake well, it prevents it from sticking to the bottom. The cake pan coming in at number 4 on our list is the Wilton Countless Celebrations 10-piece set. If you're a baker who is fond of exploring different cake designs, then this is your sign to purchase the Wilton Countless Celebrations 10-piece set. This 10-piece set comes with 14 by 5 by 9-inch rectangular pan and features a grid and 8 interchangeable inserts, which can create all 26 letters of the alphabet and numbers from 0 to 9. It is perfect for birthday celebrations since it allows you to bake a highly personalized cake instead of the typical round cake. You can spell out initials or even come up with unique messages and fun sayings that the birthday honoree will definitely appreciate. Although it may seem complex due to its various product inclusions, the Wilton Countless Celebrations 10-piece set is actually user-friendly with its easy picture instructions. Even an amateur baker can use these bakeware items without struggling. Our team praises its non-stick coating pan built of aluminized steel, which enables the effortless release of the cake from the pan and quick cleanup. You can even operate a dishwasher to clean it easily. We were impressed with its grid guide bottom that holds the insert securely and prevents the batter from seeping through. This cake pan set comes with a cake cutter tool too, which is useful in trimming rounded edges. The Wilton Countless Celebrations 10-piece set grants you the creative freedom to make custom cakes that are suited for any special occasions such as birthdays, engagements, anniversaries, and so much more. Impress your family and friends with fun and versatile concept of this cake pan set. The cake pan coming in at number 3 on our list is the Nordic Ware formed Bundt pan. If you want to bring a twist to the typical round cake you make, the Nordic Ware formed Bundt pan is here to elevate your baking game. Our team commends this Bundt cake pan for being lightweight and sturdy. It has a 6-cup capacity and is ideal for 6 to 8 servings. We found the size to be convenient enough to fit into an instant pot or pressure cooker for a quick bake too. This cake pan is constructed of thick gauge, heat-responsive aluminum to ensure the uniform rising, baking and browning of the cakes. We highly appreciate the fact that the cake pan is anti-rust since it's made out of aluminum. This ensures the strength and performance of the product in the long run. Its interior is designed to be non-stick, allowing the cake to be released instantly. The non-stick coating is formulated to work best with the higher sugar and flour content of cakes and desserts. This cake pan is also easy to clean, which can be done by hand washing. We strongly recommend you to not use a dishwasher as it may decrease the lifespan of the product. At the time of making this video, the purchase of this cake pan will come with a 5-year limited warranty upon your purchase, which is great customer service. What's more interesting is that it's manufactured by Nordic Ware, a US-based company famous for fine bakeware since 1946. If you want to bake a beautifully sculpted cake, you have to try the Nordic Ware formed Bundt pan. The aluminum finish of this cake pan distributes heat evenly for terrific results. It even has a bright, colourful exterior that gives a pop of colour to your kitchen. The cake pan coming in at number 2 on our list is the USA Pan Nonstick 9-inch round cake pan. The USA Pan Bake Round Cake Pan boasts a fluted design that makes it stand out from the other cake pans in the market. These fluted details increase air circulation that promotes even heat distribution, making this cake pan land the top 2 position on our list. This unique corrugated surface also reduces friction between the pan and baked goods, enabling the cake to be effortlessly released off the pan. This cake pan is designed with folded corners to make it leak-proof. Our team appreciates that it's silicone non-stick PTFE, PFOA and BPA-free, which adds to its safety features since the chemicals aforementioned have harmful effects on human health. Its non-stick finish also makes cleanup simple just by using mild soap, hot water and a sponge. However, this cake pan is not dishwasher safe. This 9-inch cake pan is resistant to warping, which ensures its longevity due to its heavy gauge aluminized steel construction, not to mention its lifetime warranty, which will guarantee you a smooth baking experience. It's manufactured by USA Pan, who claims that this bakeware item is professionally trusted and family approved for over 60 years. The USA Pan Bakeware Round Cake Pan is proudly made in the USA with quality materials that are built to last. No matter your skill level in the kitchen, this cake pan will not disappoint you in providing professional grade baked goods with all your recipes. Aside from holding up great, cleaning is a breeze with this product. And finally, we come to the number 1 cake pan on our list, the Fat Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan Celebration Set. The Fat Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan Celebration Set is the top leading bakeware item that is popular among commercial bakeries, professional chefs and private labels for many of the superior brands and distributors globally. It offers 3 round cake pans which include a 3x2 inch, 5x2 inch and a 7x2 inch, which you can utilize if you want to make a layered cake. It features a rolled rim for easy handling. What made this product climb to the number 1 spot on our list is the anodizing process it undergoes. The environmentally safe process ensures that the product contains no harmful chemicals such as CFC, PTFE, or PFOA. For this reason, this non-stick cake pan will never peel, flake, or rust. Unlike conventional aluminum or steel bakeware, this cake pan is compatible with a broad range of recipes, including those with citrus or tomato-based ingredients. Typically, ingredients that react poorly with aluminum products discharge unwanted flavors and even aluminum back into your baked goods. By using Safe Seal technology, its non-reactive surface can provide you with versatile baking options. Our team also commends this cake pan for even heating capacity, which allows quick heating, rising and cooling. The Fat Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan Celebration Set is manufactured by Fat Daddio, a trusted bakeware company for over 50 years. By merging the best baking materials and design with recommendations of professional bakers and pastry chefs worldwide, this cake pan set was successfully built and launched into the market to provide you with a budget-friendly and high-quality bakeware item. And there you have it, folks, the 5 cake pans which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cake pan roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.